Hi, welcome to Mix 64. Let's start with the warm-up, punch and snaps. Let's go. Punch. The other side. Punch, snap. Very good. Dorsal stretch. Oh, perfect. Now, go back. Adductor stretch. 5, 6, go up. The other side. Very good. Go back. Come back. Mambo will change. Mambo. Stop. Stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Mambo will change. Open. Yes. 4, 3, 2, 1. Watch now. Balance side to side and move. March. Again. Double. You got it. March. Are you ready? Now, 2 body rolls. 2. Mambo. 2 body rolls. Now go back. Go back. Double. Body roll forward. Yes. Very good. Come on. Arms up. Down. With head. And now touch your torso. Up. Very good. Use your head. Body roll with arms. Mambo will change back. Woo! You got it. Come on. Last time. Beautiful. Okay. Step cross. 2. March. Very good. Step cross. Now arms, circle and down. Are you ready? Come on. Down. Very good. Do it again. Okay. We have to go to the side with march. Come on. Walk. Use your shoulders. Stop and close. Step cross. Walk. Open. Close. From the top. Woo! Body roll. Step cross. Sidewalk. Stop. Come on, one more time from the top. Double. Come on. Double. Sidewalk. Okay, second part again. Step cross. Now to the side. Walk. Front. March. Go. To the side. Open. Be ready to turn. Are you ready to turn with us? Watch now. Turn. Close. Yes. To the side. Turn. Now, one more change. It's just a pose. Very easy. Touch your head. One more time. Step cross. Turn. Touch your torso. And stretch. So up. Push. Up. Push. Up. One more time. Feet together. Switch. Push. Very good. Feet together. Put your heel on the floor. Go down. Snaps. Feet together. The other side. Very good. Feet together from the top. Mambo will change back. Double. Body roll. Step cross. Side. Turn. Pose. From the top. Ball change. Woo! Come forward. Second part. Side. Turn. Pose. From the top. You got it. Come on. Welcome to Ritmix 64. Side. Final pose. Go up.